strange to think this is what it looked like.
21st century? Yep.
It's so different.
Yeah, well, that's what happens when the Earth's crust gets shattered into 1,000 pieces. Check this out. This is what I wanted to show you. It's a quantum energy weapon. There were dozens of them, all over the globe.
My God. How can a society so advanced, so scientific, be so stupid?
No more stupid than people today. They just had far worse weapons.
世界が滅び、人々は空に、海に、そして地を這う車輪の上に都市を作った。
What is that?
It's London.
This is the age of the predator cities. We are London.
Predator City incoming!
Valentine, why you murdered my mother?
As to Shaw, she won't stop until I'm dead.
We have to stop London before it destroys us. You sure you want to do this?
I have to.
The man who controls this controls the world.
I will kill her.
I'm gonna live.
移動都市モータルエンジン